The facelift of the Model Y introduces significant changes to its metal components, particularly the bonnet and wings, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. These modifications effectively respond to earlier design critiques. The redesigned headlights, now positioned lower and featuring sleek accent strips, embody a contemporary trend seen across various brands. This design also draws inspiration from the Cybertruck, harmonizing Tesla's signature style. Noteworthy updates to the Model Y encompass larger air intakes and revamped bumpers, marking this facelift as one of the most impactful in the automotive landscape. The enhancements result in a markedly improved visual profile. The reimagined rear lights not only bolster aesthetic appeal but also enhance the ambience around the Tesla badge, resulting in a more refined look. This represents a significant evolution from the prior model. Aerodynamic refinements have elevated the Model Y's driving range from 331 miles to an impressive 353 miles, underscoring Tesla's dedication to innovative engineering and efficiency. This advancement emphasizes the crucial role of design in the realm of electric vehicles. Interior enhancements, such as felt-lined door pockets and upgraded materials, significantly enrich the premium experience of the new Model Y. These improvements deliver an upscale environment for passengers, elevating overall quality. The redesigned steering wheel integrates touch-sensitive buttons in place of some traditional controls while keeping the indicator stock for user-friendly navigation. This modernized approach is intended to streamline functionality. A key improvement is the enlarged door release button, enhancing accessibility in urgent moments and exemplifying Tesla's commitment to practical design alongside aesthetic advancements. The interior now showcases a fabric trim and customizable ambient lighting, offering a standard touch of luxury that many competitors typically charge extra to provide. The rear passenger experience is upgraded with a new screen that manages climate and entertainment, adding a premium feel to the vehicle. In response to previous suspension criticisms, Tesla has implemented a firmer setup, resulting in a more balanced and composed ride quality within the new Model Y. While there is a slight decrease in storage capacity, the Model Y preserves a spacious interior with ample head and legroom, ensuring comfort for all passengers. The absence of advancements in Tesla's battery technology suggests stability in their current offerings, which might not attract buyers seeking groundbreaking innovations. Considering a used Tesla Model Y could present a more budget-friendly option if the new model's enhancements fail to justify the increased price. Tesla's recent strides in the Model Y's design and features may render it an appealing selection for those in pursuit of an enhanced driving experience.